Hello, this is Ankur from MarketXLS. MarketXLS is your go-to platform for premium enterprise-grade market data and analytics in Excel. Today, we are very excited to present to you our new MarketXLS web plugin, bringing real-time market data to your Mac and web browsers, and of course, Excel on a Windows. To get started, you can install the plugin directly from the add-in app store in Excel. So let's open any Excel file and click on Insert. Then click on Get Add-ins. And now in the add-in store, search for MarketXLS. Press Enter and click on Add. And it will automatically install the plugin to your Excel. Now that the plugin is installed, let's explore its functionality. To do a quick trial, let's see if everything works fine. So just click on Create Starter Sheet button. This will create a new sheet with some functions in the sheet to demonstrate the functionality. As you can see, it has added a few ticker symbols in column A and has also plugged in formulas in other columns. In very simple terms, you use a formula and provide a symbol to pull information about that symbol. For example, the formula in column E is the simple moving average formula, equal sign MXLS dot simple moving average A3, 20. The A3 in this formula is referring to the cell A3, which has the ticker symbol for Google. Let's change the ticker symbol to MSFT. And since the other cells are linked with this cell, the formulas will update automatically. Now that we know that the add-in is working fine, let's explore the right side panel where you can browse through some popular functions and use those functions. As you can see, we have categorized the popular functions in various categories like quotes, profile, dividends, historicals, indicators, options, and so on. So click on the category to see some functions in that category. To insert the formula in the cell, first select the cell where you would like to insert the function and then click on the function button. The plugin will take MSFT as the default symbol and insert the function in active cell so you can review the function. And if you are happy with the function, you can simply delete the symbol in the formula and refer it to another symbol of your choice to get the result for that symbol. Whenever you would like to refresh the numbers in cells, you could click on the refresh all or the refresh selected buttons on the side panel to get the new data. If you would click on help button on the menu, you should be able to see all the functions and their definitions and the respective arguments that you can pass into the functions. And to leverage MarketXLS to its full potential and take advantage of enterprise grade real-time streaming data, some of the table functions, for example, getting the option chains, getting historical data, dynamic functions to help you in your financial modeling and also to gain access to more symbols, you may want to consider subscribing to MarketXLS by clicking on the upgrade button here. If you're already a MarketXLS customer and you have your account credentials on marketxls.com website, you should simply be able to log in with your existing credentials. For all existing customers, this web plugin is already included in your plan. Since the new MarketXLS plugin works on browsers as well, it brings you the power of collaboration. Sharing files and building models with your team is now easier. Just go to OneDrive, create a new Excel file and click on share to share it with one of your colleagues or a couple of your colleagues, and then all of you can work with the same sheet and start using the functions. So it's very easy to get started with the new MarketXLS web plugin. You might want to read the help section for more detailed information on how to use it. Thank you for choosing MarketXLS. Visit marketxls.com for further assistance. Happy analyzing. Thank you.